How can you avoid GDI fuel system leaks if the high pressure fuel pump or injector is serviced? We're going to find out next.
This video is brought to you by Standard, manufacturer and distributor of engine management products for 100 years. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.
High-pressure direct injection poses some unique safety issues. Because any liquid pressurized to 2000 psi can literally cut like a knife, a technician should be mindful that recommended safety procedures must be used to bleed off the extremely high fuel pressures present in the injector rail before a repair. Some manufacturers recommend disabling the fuel pump with the bidirectional controls included with most scan tools, then starting and running the engine until it stalls. Other manufacturers prefer alternate methods, so it pays to research applicable service information before attempting to diagnose or repair any GDI system. Due to high pressures, manufacturers require that all O-rings and most high-pressure steel fuel lines be replaced if the high-pressure pump or injectors are removed or replaced. If these are not replaced, the leak is typically a very flammable fine mist of fuel. Trying to save a few bucks could result in a very expensive insurance claim for your shop. On the low pressure side of GDI systems, the same rules for port fuel injected engines apply. If you're replacing the supply pump in the tank, make sure you use the correct gaskets and locking ring procedures to prevent any evap problems and make sure the tank is clean and free of debris. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.